unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Amana dishwashers typically do not have a physical reset button. To reset your dishwasher, try the following method. Disconnect it from the power source by unplugging it or flipping the breaker in your home's electrical panel. Wait at least 1 minute before restoring power. This action can help reset the dishwasher system. If your dishwasher is experiencing issues, a reset can often resolve minor electronic glitches or program errors.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.